Hi, this is Kimberly, and I would like to welcome you back to my channel, Bookkeeping Journey, where I share my journey towards becoming a full-time bookkeeper and also the knowledge that I have gained along the way. So today I'm actually going to show you how to apply a credit to an invoice. So the scenario I have created today is I have 4 invoices for this one customer, and obviously when I created the credit memo, Quickbooks automatically applied it to the last invoice. So what I'm going to do is I am going to show you how to go in and change which invoice and select the correct invoice that you want to apply that credit to. So this video is going to be really short today. But before I go on, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, press that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so we're going to go into sales and customers. I'm going to go into the customer account because I have the credit memo already in there created. I'll go and click on the credit memo. You can see it's closed out, and because when I created it, QuickBooks automatically applied it. You see payment, so it's our SOD, and the payment has been applied. We're going to go into there. Remember, you click on the date and it selected this invoice, but really and truly it was supposed to be for this invoice. If you want to see what the invoice has on, you just click on the invoice and it will open up the invoice for you. But I'm not going to do that for the purpose of this video. I'm just showing you how to apply the credit. Now the credit was for $20. So I am going to put the $20 here, and credit is selected. That is selected. I'm going to save and close. And it says, because obviously I changed it, the transaction you're editing is linked to others. Are you sure you want to modify it? Yes. And that's because I was making the change. It recognized that I unticked the other invoice. You see it's still closed, and we're going to go into that. We're going to go to that invoice that has the 669. As you can see now, the credit has been applied. I'm going to go into it now again to show you that that $20 credit has been applied to this. See the $20, and it will bring it back up again, and you'll see that the credit has been applied. Okay, so I'm going to close out of that. So the credit has been applied because it was $669.80. Now it's $649.80, and that's it. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below and I will happily reply to you. Thank you so much for watching, and may you have a good day. Bye.